Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to unpublish your website on Wix step by step. You'll need to do this on a desktop computer. It's not possible on mobile. Start by going to wix.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with all your sites listed. Click on the site you want to unpublish. This takes you to that site's dashboard where you control all the settings. Now look at the left sidebar and click on Settings. It's the gear icon. A drop-down menu appears with several options. Under the General section, click Website Settings. The Website Settings page opens, and you'll see a line at the top that shows whether your site is currently published. At the top of this page, in the Publish Status section, you'll see an Unpublish button next to your site status. Click Unpublish. A confirmation dialog box pops up asking you to confirm that you want to take the site offline. This two-step process stops you from accidentally unpublishing. In the confirmation pop-up, click the Unpublish button again to confirm. The screen will load and your site status will change to Not Published. Your site is now offline. If you check your dashboard, the status indicator will show Not Published. When anyone tries to visit your site's URL, they'll see an error 404 page instead of your content. Your editor content, images, and settings are all still saved. Nothing gets deleted. You can republish the site whenever you want by going back to Website Settings and clicking Publish. A few things to keep in mind. Unpublishing your site doesn't cancel your domain or premium plan. Those are separate services in your Wix account and will continue unless you cancel them directly. Also, if your site stays unpublished for more than a few days, your SEO ranking may take a hit. Search engines can drop sites that become unavailable. So if you're planning to bring the site back online soon, try not to leave it unpublished too long. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.